One of the most common misconceptions in our society is that success comes only through hard work. But remember the English proverb, work smart, not just hard. If you look around, you'll see countless people working day and night, sweating endlessly, yet their financial situation never seems to improve. On the other hand, there are some who work fewer hours but become rich much faster. Why does this happen? The reason is simple. They don't just rely on physical labor, they use their intelligence to make money work for them. Today's story teaches us that very secret through a young man named Surjo. At just 25, Surjo worked at a small grocery shop. He was honest and hardworking. But after 3 years of regular saving, he often felt frustrated when he looked at his bank balance. Despite all the effort, the results were disappointingly small. That's when he realized that working hard was not enough. He had to find a way to make his small savings generate wealth. During this time, he heard about Mr. Karim, a wealthy businessman from a nearby village. Despite owning huge assets, Karim never seemed busy. He would enjoy his morning coffee, take peaceful evening walks, and yet his income was many times higher than everyone else's. This made Surjo deeply curious. One day, he gathered the courage to approach Karim and asked, "Sir, how do you make your money work for you?" Karim smiled and replied, "Earning money is not just about strength, it is an art." He then shared 7 powerful financial lessons with Surjo. Disciplined saving. Always set aside a portion of your income. Never borrow to invest because debt will make you weaker. Avoid luxury. Unnecessary expenses on luxury items like new phones or cars only drain your savings, they don't generate income. Use that money for investment instead. Seek opportunities. Always look for opportunities and start small instead of waiting for perfection. Even Salim from the next village started his Wi-Fi business with very little money. You'll make mistakes, but those mistakes will teach you. Reinvest profits. When you start earning, don't spend it all. Reinvest your profits back into your business. That's how Salim expanded his Wi-Fi network. Money grows when money is put to work. Diversify income. Don't depend on a single source of income. Create a second or third source so that your risk is reduced. Patience. The tree of success doesn't grow in one day. If you rush, you'll fail. Keep learning and never stop improving yourself. After hearing these lessons, it felt as if a new light had awakened in Surjo's mind. He realized that all this time he had only worked with his hands but had never learned to make his money work for him. As he left, he made a promise to himself. From today onward, he would not only work hard but also make his money work harder. This story teaches us that saving and growing money is never easy, but with the right plan, disciplined saving, avoiding unnecessary luxury, finding opportunities, starting small, reinvesting profits, diversifying income, and staying patient, one day money itself can bring us freedom. That's when we truly become not just hardworking but truly successful.